Dave is head of engineering at a production facility that runs Rockwell Automation software. He's under huge pressure to constantly monitor and manage processes and production via his HMI and ensure these never go down. You see, when it comes to Dave's business-critical apps, even a little downtime at the wrong time can be a problem. It can mean decreased production or no production at all, data loss or corruption, non-compliance, and potentially a damaged reputation. These days, many virtualized applications run on a single server, so the highest levels of availability are even more critical. But ensuring this can be costly, complex, and takes loads of IT know-how. Until now. Stratus and Rockwell Automation are here to protect your business-critical software apps from downtime due to hardware failures. Our cutting-edge dual-modular Stratus ftServers are synchronized and work in lockstep, ensuring your apps are running on a fault-tolerant platform. If a hardware failure occurs in one unit, the other unit keeps running without any interruption or loss of data. Stratus shares Rockwell Automation's vision for a connected enterprise. Our built-in OPC Driver sends server alarms straight to Dave's HMI application. Meanwhile, the server automatically orders its own spare part, which can be replaced without any special IT skills, all while his Rockwell apps continue to run. Now Dave can enjoy around-the-clock coverage and total peace of mind. So join the world's leading companies already entrusting their systems to Rockwell Automation and Stratus. For the highest availability and operational simplicity, get in touch for a quote today. Stratus, a Rockwell Automation Global Encompass partner. For more information, visit www.stratus.com/RA.